And let's see. But you have the enough disk space, right?
Yes, sir. I have enough space.
Okay.
Good
Okay.
morning.
Then let's see. Let's give it a try. Why to buy that new laptop? Let's give it a try in all aspects.
I already tried it 2 times, sir, but it's not working properly. So
Okay.
taking a lot of time and got hang in the middle.
Oh, is it? Okay. Okay.
Good morning, Banu.
Hey, hi. Good morning, Krishna.
Can I share my screen? Like Putty is giving me runtime error. Like,
Yeah. Sure.
can I share?
Yeah. Sure. Sure. You can. I Mm. Okay, understood. I think it's not able to communicate with this host. Give me a control.
Okay.
Okay. I've given the budgeting. Okay, all is good. So disabled. Okay. Is a command prompt. Hey, Mani, once you fish your that network issue, just let me know, okay? How to disable the network firewall? If config is 131 now. With me. 31. Okay. One 192.38.0.31. So which user you gave?
Krishna. Oracle 123 only.
Okay. You can able to access like this.
Okay.
About the static IP, we'll work on that. Okay. So I think we have to disable the firewall and all.
Okay.
I just let you know. So meanwhile, until then, you can connect like this.
Okay, sure.
Okay, so you go to the this VM box and give the if config. You fetch the IP address from there. Then using that IP address, you can connect here. Okay.
Got it.
Okay. Okay. Then money.
Yes,
Money.
sir.
Is it fixed? Network issue.
Yeah, yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay. I think you can share the screen, right? So we
Yes,
can
sir.
resume from where yesterday we passed.
Yes, sir. One sir.
Hey, hi Sagar. Did you get a chance to go through the installation?
No, sir.
Okay, you haven't done the installation yet?
Just downloaded
Okay.
it, but I didn't want to installation.
Yeah. Please go through it. So you have the time for this week. So anyways, today and tomorrow also installation would be going. So try to make it by this week. So next week, from next week onwards, we'll go with the real-time examples.
Okay, sir. Done.
Okay.
Sir, can you take access?
Yeah. Okay. So you can open the VM. So how this laptop would be used to you? Is it personal laptop or your office laptop? Money?
Personal, sir.
Okay.
Personal PC.
Is it PC?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why VM box is not open? Could you open this VM box and start the Linux?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So here, Oracle 1, 2, 3. Okay, then open the putty. Root. We'll give the root password Oracle 1, 2, 3. Okay. So everyone able to see it, or should I increase the font size or window size something? Okay, let's see this later. Time waste. Now, what is the command to see the what and all mount points are available? It's a df-kh. So we have placed our software in shared folder. Okay. Let's LRT figure. We have one file called this one. So before this, we'll try to create the one user. Okay. One user called Oracle or whatever it is. So we'll install the software to particular that user. So whenever if you want to use the database or connect to the database, we always needs to connect to that particular user. So for user add, we have a commands like first we have to add the group. So I'll just group group add Oracle. I'll just added one group. Then here I'll just copy and paste from my notepad. Yeah, it's a user add hyphen. Okay, not copying here. It's user add hyphen m for modification hyphen g for group. So which group we are assigning? Oracle group, which we have created above. Then fnd is a directory, home directory location. So home Oracle. Then hyphen yes. So which shell I want to use? Slash bin and bash, and the username is Oracle we are giving. So user added. Next password Oracle. We are giving Oracle 1, 2, 3. Oracle 1, 2, 3. Okay. and we change this permission to chmod -r 777 to read, write, execute for the all people. The file name is being changed now. Now we'll connect to the Oracle. su-oracle. So now we have connected to the Oracle user. If you see the dollar symbol came, it means user. Here username at the rate of localhost is there. Now we give the ls df-kh cd/home +lrt. Okay, here Oracle is there. cd Oracle. If we give the ls, nothing is there. So df-kh, see the mount points. I'll go to this location, change directory cd to that location where our software is there. Oh, again, it's saying the permission denied. So what we have to do now? Can anyone guess? Hello?
We need to grant the permission.
Yeah, we need to give the permission. So, Mani, yesterday you
Yes, sir.
saved one command, right? You just paste it here and change the username to you, Oracle.
Oracle, sir.
No, small you give.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I have to do it from the root user. Just to give me a minute.
Okay.
Just backspace everything. Just type exit. Yeah, exit.
Enter.
Enter. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Now it comes to the root. The user has been logged out. Now you paste that command and change the username to Oracle.
Yes.
Okay, done. Now let me take the control. Now I'll again go to the Oracle. So it doesn't ask for the password, right? Whenever connecting to the another users from root, it doesn't ask. But whenever you connect to the root from any user, it will ask the password. Since
So
the root is
modifications should be done by, like, the permission should be granted by root.
yeah, all administrative things, user management that needs to be managed by root. Okay, then df-kh. So we have the software got placed in this location. Now I will go to it. Now I'm able to access this. Right? So we have the permission read, write for all things. Now what I'll do is I'll just unzip this. Unzip. That particular file name. So it will unzip that file name to the here itself. So we open the duplicate session. Here, login as a root for time saving purpose. We do the things parallelly. Oracle 1, 2, 3. So guys, so we are anyways let that unzip is in progress. But meanwhile, here we go with few pre-installation steps. So we just want to install the database. So which version of database we are going to work? Any idea? So we are working on Oracle database 12.102, right? Or 12.201. Which version we downloaded? Any idea, Mani?
No, sir, I forgot.
I think it's
12,
12.
sir, 12.
Well, I think. Yes.
Yeah.
12.
So we can either there will be some packages or RPMs that need to be installed, okay, before installing any software in the Linux. So whenever I say this, suppose in Windows, if we download any software, if we try to install it, it will say that please install the something.msi or something.rpm like that, right? Some dependable RPMs are we have to install it. Similar way in Linux also we have to install some needed RPMs by the Oracle. So we no need to worry about that. That is automated now. You can directly go with yum install -y. So this is also no need. And you can directly give Oracle database -server 12 CR2, right? Just enter. Okay. So here we have couldn't resolve. Let's try again. So here we got no package available. Okay, so we just go with yum install -y, which means we are giving the ES parameter 12C R2 Oracle underscore database and database hyphen server hyphen 12C R2 pre-install hyphen pre-install we give. Okay. Now it's showing the all dependable, right? All dependable packages. Installing for dependencies. So basically it will install the all prerequisites, RPMs, prerequisites of files, everything by itself. We just have to give yum install. So I already explained what do you mean by yum. Yum is the tool that can be able to direct the packages over the internet directly from the command prompt, and it can able to install itself. So here we got all the things. Dependencies are installed. And let's go to the previous session. Here, if we give ls-lrt, one folder created called database, right? After unzip. Okay, we'll change the ownership for this. df-kh. Go to this location. Here we have database folder. ch own -r Oracle, and group name is Oracle database. Okay, we have changed the ownership now. Okay, then we'll go to here. Let's type an LRP. Still showing as a root. That's fine. It's not changing. Now we'll go to the database folder. Here, if I give ls-lrt to see the list of all things, we have a install and run installer here, right? So we can go with the installer. So once everything is done, so is xhost is started there? Go here, xming, we have opened, and go to the settings, Session, okay. Okay, we have to take the new session. We will go to the SSH, here X11, enable X11 forwarding. Then we'll go to the session and we'll load this and we'll save. Then we'll open, login with Oracle user. So I told why we will use the X11. So why? It's for graphical user interface, Xming and all. So now if we give X clock, I think now it should come up. Yeah. Right. Now we'll go to the location df-kh. Here, ls-lrt. We have a database folder. Go to here, ls-lrt, to see the list. You understood, right? When I say ls-lrt, when I say cd command, when I give the df-kh, any doubts there? Krishna Narendra Mani?
No.
It's a clear, right? These are the Linux commands I'm just using, that's all. If you practice, if you install the OS and practice these commands, it will be very easy for you. It's just generic commands I'm using just to see the list, to change the directory, to get into the directory, that's all. So if I give the ls-lrt, again it will show the all contents under that particular folder. Now if I run this, it will take the space. Preparing to launch the Oracle Universal Installer. So it will trying to launch the GUI, graphical user interface, for us now. So here it came. So this was initiated, right? Xming. This is the use of Xming. So in general, when clients say to install the databases, so we have to tell them that please enable the X forward facility in the root, so that they will log in as a root, they will enable the things and give it to you. So here, if you want to give any email address, you can give, or else if you want to leave empty, you can leave empty. Okay, so I'll just uncheck this one. Now proceeding with the next. You have not provided the email address. Yes. Do you wish to remain uninformed? Critical security patches. Yes. Now let's install the only software now and create the database later. Install the database software only. Now let's go to the next. Single instance database installation. So we are not using the rack real application cluster, or else we are going with only single instance standalone database we called. So we click on the single instance and then next. So enterprise edition is a self-managing database. Okay, scalability, performance, everything. So enterprise edition will go. Okay, then click on the next. So here, Oracle base location, it will create Oracle software location. This is called DB home. Okay, you can note it down in your notes. Money.
Yes, sir.
This location, Oracle home location. You just copy. Let me copy it. Okay, let me note it down. Okay, later we can see. Give me the control. I'm taking it.
Wait a second.
Okay. Or else I'll open the new thing.
Wait a second, sir. Yeah, actually, I have two screens. That's why.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah, here you can paste it. So whenever I use a term called Oracle home, this is the one you have to tell. Please remember it. It's called the Oracle home. Okay, then we'll go with the next. So it's a Oracle inventory director. The group name is Oracle itself. That's what we have. Then click on the next. Here, pass the Oracle, give the Oracle, change the all group names to the Oracle. So we have changed the group names to the Oracle. Then next. Where is this Shivan icon? He's left the call or what? Mani, you are all colleagues or known people, Shiva and
No, sir. I know only Vinay.
Vinay, Sucharita, and you all people are friends or how it is? So are you from, because you are all people from Vizag, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. So the software installation has been done. So it's saying that disk space required 7.5 GB and available is 89.8 GB. So everything is passed. You can save the response file wherever you want. Save it and then click on the install. So if you have any, warnings or errors, it will show in summary. So suppose if we have the less disk space, so guys, you have the less disk space and all, it will prompt it. It will prompt for that particular warnings.
Yeah.
It will take some time to install. So tomorrow we'll go with some theory part where I'll explain about the physical and logical structure of the database. So files, basically I'll explain the files so that when I install the database, I can take the reference of that particular files and I can explain you well, right? So while creating the database, it will create this file, it will create that file. I can explain that. Before that, I'll theoretically give the what and all files we have, what information it will contain, how to deal with that, right? So it's running. Again, it will take 5 to 10 minutes of time. So guys, tell me, give me a feedback. I mean, how the class is going. Are you able to understand the things what I am saying?
Sir, it's fine.
It's fine, right?
Yes, sir. And before that, you can check all people also installed software.
Install the software at a time by Monday, so simultaneously we can do that.
Right. That's what I told in this class. So I'll just again, I'll inform the people in the group to let
Yeah.
them install. So these are the basics, okay, so that it will go smooth. So user management, table space management, everything goes smooth until you come the RMAN. Where RMAN, when RMAN comes, it's a basically easier than our basic task, but the terminology you will feel bit difficult. Not terminology, the background processes and all. So I'll explain that. So once RMAN is done, in RMAN we'll be covering the backup, recovery, how to do the cloning, how to enable the data guard. So these 4 topics we'll do in RMAN. So once that is done, we'll see some basic tuning things on the performance issues, based some basics. So which are required for 3 to 4 years of experience, guys. So once this is done, you can prepare the interview and you can post it to the Naukri. So Mani, what's your profile now? So
Actually, I'm in mechanical department, sir.
oh,
Working as a piping designer.
okay, it's a completely non-IT, or do you use any CAD or something like that?
Yes, sir. AutoCAD.
AutoCAD.
Yes.
Okay. So Krishna, what about you? You feels okay with this course?
It's okay for me.
Okay. And Narendra,
Yeah, it's fine.
it's understandable, right?
Yeah.
More
Okay.
practice is required, that's it for
Yeah,
this.
that's what. If you practice more, you can able to crack it easily. So till what time you will be having the office money? Evening.
Sir,
What's your logout time?
6 p.m., sir. 9 to
9 to
6.
6, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it's just because these working guys, you and that Shiva, the class is at 8 a.m. man, or else I could have pushed it to 9 at least. Because by the time I sleep, right, it will be time around 3 o'clock, 3:30, something like that. after the finishing work. So once this is done, we have a one more post task that we have to execute two scripts from the root user. So that's what it's saying at last. Okay, execute root scripts. So we have a root login session here, right? This is a root. So here we have to execute two scripts. Let it run. 95% it is. Okay. Okay. So here it prompted for two scripts, right? The following scripts needs to be executed as a root user. So you copy this script. Go to the, where is your cookie? Go to the root. and you just sh and execute this. The execution of script completed. And go here. Again, copy this. Go to the root user. sh and script name. Execute it. Enter the full path of the local bin directory we are in the default. Just enter it. You want to Oracle trace file analyzer now? Yes, you give. So let it run. Done. So we have executed both the scripts. Then here click OK. The installation of Oracle database software was successfully completed. So press close. Go to the here this session. Now cd pwd df-kh just on it available 86 GB LSF and LRT. Here you have the app cd app LSF and LRT cd Oracle. It's a path. Okay, we are going to the Oracle home path. That's all. Here what are contents available? We'll go to the product. Here LSF and LRT equal to LSF and LRT DB home 1. So here we'll have the lot of files. So it's our DB home, right? PWD, present working directory. So we have successfully installed the software now. So there are a lot of things, binary directory, binary files, everything. It will be available under DB home. Here there is one more folder called DBS, where if we create any database, it will come here. The parameter files will save here. Just for your knowledge, I'm saying all the databases parameter files will be stored under Oracle home / DBS location. When I say Oracle home, it's the path up to this. So you remember this. We'll stop it here. We'll do the database creation tomorrow. What do you say?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay, you are fine with Oracle software installation, right?
Yeah, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you install the softwares in your local machines. We'll go the parallelly, guys. Okay, don't miss anything.
Yeah, sure. And
Make sure that it will upload again. So yesterday I talked to her. She told that the videos are uploaded. You guys get it?
yeah, uploaded.
Yeah.
Okay, fine, perfect. Okay then. All right. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye, sir.